It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I am doing another designer review for you guys today, which if you saw the title, you already know that. Why do we feel like we need to say what the video is as soon as the video starts? When you see the video and you click on the video, you already know what it's about. So dumb. Anyways, I am talking about the Valentino Rockstud heels, and I've had these for a while. And I'm gonna unbox them for you because they're still in their box, even though I have worn them. And I'm gonna show you exactly what they look like and tell you all about them and where I bought them and all that. So let's just jump right in. All right, so this is the pretty Valentino box right there. This was my first designer shoe purchase that I bought for myself. I say my first, and I've only ever bought 2 pairs of designer shoes for myself, so it's not like I have a whole lot of experience, but this was like a really big purchase for myself. It was a Valentine's Day gift from Matt, where he took me shopping and let me, yeah, I guess that's what happened. It was Valentine's Day. I wanted these. He took me shopping, said, I know you want these, go pick them out, so that's what I did. So that's my story. Anyways, these are a size 37 and they are the Rockstuds. And I'm gonna open these up so you can see them. I keep these babies very well wrapped because they are like gold to me, like rose gold, because I love them so much. I love these shoes. I love them. All right, I have the Valentino Rockstud T-strap pump. This is what they look like. I still keep the paper in them because I want them to stay their perfect, beautiful shape. I have them in, what shade would this be? This is considered Poudre Patent, which I would consider them more of like a blush taupe. They're not really nude. They're more of a blushy nude. And I've worn them a couple of times. You can tell on the bottom. And the one shoe, I should say, I got little scuffies there that need cleaned off. I'm actually surprised I let them even look like that. Now that I'm looking at these, like, I'm a bad shoe owner. These I bought from Nordstrom. They are $995. Expensive. More than my Louboutins. Do I feel that they're worth that amount of money? Okay, let's just dive right into that one. So, I love them. I think I've already said that, but I do. I truly love them, and I think that the quality is incredible. I love them more than my Louboutins in that they're more comfortable, and I think that they're more comfortable because they're T-strap, and I feel like when a shoe has that much support around the foot, when you're taking a step, I feel like it just helps to support your foot better. They're not the most comfortable shoes that I've ever owned or ever worn, and I don't think any designer shoes ever will be, you know what I mean? Yeah, but they are so beautiful and they're so incredible, and I do not regret this purchase at all. I've said in my other videos that I really, with my designer stuff, I really take good care of it because I want them, or good care of my designer pieces because I want them to last me for a long time. So for me, I don't know. I love them and I don't regret the purchase. So I hope that answers that question. In regards to dupes, okay, so if you guys saw my designer dupes video, which went up a couple weeks ago, I bought these on Shein, obviously, because the tag says Shein right in the middle of it. And I think they were $23. I wanted to compare the two because in the video, I said that they seemed a little bit more like shiny and plasticky looking than the Rockstuds. And I'm going to hold it like this. So obviously these are a patent and they are shiny. But these are so shiny that they look plastic almost. Can you see the difference right there? And then let's compare heels. So I'm gonna do it like that. So the black pair, it's just like a noisy house right now. I'm sorry in advance. I have a dog barking, a baby crying. It's just a lot going on. The black heels are a little bit taller. By like a minute amount, honestly. Like seriously minute, like maybe 1/4 of an inch. The thing that's surprising about these is, yeah, I think they're a good dupe. They're obviously not the T-strap pair. I think they're a good dupe, but they're actually comfortable. I did go with a 38 in these, and they, like I said, they're pretty comfortable. I haven't worn them outside. I've only worn them around the house, but they're pretty, like I said, pretty comfortable. I think that they're a pretty good dupe. The quality isn't fantastic when you look at the connection right here between the sole and the actual shoe. Like, it is seamless. It's perfect. There's like, you can't even tell where it begins and ends. Until you get back into like this corner, then you can see. But on this, like, it's very visible, the seam. Like, I could stick my nail into some certain sections of it. I mean, you get what you pay for. Like, you can't expect a $1,000 quality shoe for $20. Like, obviously this is going to be way better. But I had a bunch of you guys on the dupes video and on my blog request that I do a comparison, and so you can see the comparison right there. The studs are a little bit larger on this, not dramatically larger, but a little bit larger, and they're a little bit scratched on this, on the Shein. And let's see what else is. They're sharper. They actually are kind of sharp on this one, and they're dull on this one. But yeah, that's a great comparison side by side, so you guys can kind of see the difference between the two. But in regards to the Valentino, I just love these shoes. I think they're beautiful. I think that they pair nicely with just about everything. I do get much more use out of these than I do my Louboutins because they're more comfortable. And here's the difference. Here's why I think that these, like, I will never regret this purchase. When you see somebody wearing these shoes, immediately you're like, oh, those are Valentinos, whether they're a dupe, a knockoff or not. Like, this design is so iconic that you know. When it comes to a pair of Louboutins, the only way that you're going to recognize that they're Louboutins is if you can actually see the red bottom, which means if you're up, like, looking at somebody, like, you know, in conversation or close up in your face first, chances are you're not going to know they're wearing Louboutins unless they turn around and walk away. So that's really the difference there. Otherwise, I mean, I love my Louboutins, obviously. I like these particular shoes, the style, just better. So if I had to pick between buying a pair of Louboutins and a pair of these Valentinos, I would pick the Valentinos. So I can already hear you guys saying, well, the Louboutins are more classic style, whereas the Rockstuds, aren't those going to go out of style? I can see that, but I mean, like, how long have these Rockstuds been out now? For quite a few years, and they're not really going anywhere anytime soon, in my opinion. I think they're beautiful shoes. I think they're very sexy shoes. I just love them. So if I have to pick between the two, I'm going to go Valentino, like, all day long. Pick the Valentino over the Louboutins. Is that like a bad thing? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, so those are my Valentinos, and it's a comparison to the dupes, like, and it's a, is it worth it, in my opinion? So you kind of got a threefer in this video. I hope you guys liked it. I like doing these videos for you, designer videos, and you guys seem to really like them too. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more of these videos, because I have, like, I could talk about, like, my Gucci Soho bag. That's a really popular bag, and I feel like that's something that you guys might want to see a review on, just the details and everything like that. So let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to visit me on my blog, angelalanter.com. I will link both pairs of these for you with the exact links to them on the blog so that you can shop them and compare them and do all of that stuff. And I'll find a couple other pairs of dupes that are, like, really close if you do want the Rockstud, the T-strap versus just the regular pump. I'll put that all on my blog. Again, it's angelalanter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and turn your notifications on for my channel. It's just that little icon thing. When you click that and you turn that on, then you get to be among the first to know when I post a new video. And why wouldn't you want to know that? I mean, come on. Be in my first OGGs club. OGGs are my original gorgeous girls, by the way. I just hit that and, like, threw myself off. My ring hit the table.